Quazi here, and in this video I want to be sharing with you my personal experience with subliminals and whether or not they actually work. Now, before beginning this video, let me explain to you what a subliminal is. People use subliminals in the form of affirmations, but instead they plug it into their ears and sleep with it at night. So what's happening with a subliminal is it's a subconscious message intended to influence your subconscious at the subconscious level. So there's the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind constitutes for maybe 10 to 20% of your psyche. The subconscious mind constitutes the rest of the 80%. So subliminals are intended to aim at your subconscious mind when you're sleeping. And it is thought that the subconscious mind is accessed at the sleep state. If you want to influence your subconscious, it is true that while you sleep, that's the best time. But whether or not subliminals are the best way to do it, we're going to evaluate that today. So let me explain my personal experience with subliminals. I've used subliminals that I found online on how to create magical superpowers and stuff like that, and how to become a superhuman. And I plugged it in every single night for 30 days and it never worked. I never got any sort of superpowers that I wanted. I couldn't make things levitate. I couldn't make a pencil move. And I don't know why it didn't work. Because I thought subliminals always work. It influences your subconscious. And if you can influence your subconscious, you can do anything that you want to. But upon learning the law of attraction further, upon studying it further, upon learning about reality transurfing and going deeper and deeper into this stuff, what I've learned is that subliminals will never work if you don't obey these two rules. The first rule of a subliminal, or an affirmation rather, is that it must incite a feeling within you. So, by inciting a feeling, I mean that you must see yourself in your final destination. So let's say your subliminal is to, I allow myself to easily make $20,000 a month, or something of the sort. And you plug that into your ears every night and you sleep with it. If you can't see yourself with the $20,000, and if you can't really picture it, if you don't see yourself at your final destination, it doesn't incite a good feeling within you, then it won't work as a subliminal. So before using a subliminal, read your affirmation and see if it resounds with you, if it resonates with you. So when you do that, then the subliminal gets more and more effective because it affects you at that psychological level, the subconscious level. Because the subconscious is all feelings. So make sure it incites a feeling in you at the conscious level first. With that in mind, let's go into another aspect, which is called vibratory alignment. Whenever we have a desire, there must be the belief to back it up. So there is desire and then there is belief. If your desire is to make $20,000 a month, and if you believe you can do it easily, then it'll be manifested. If your desire is to make $100,000 a month, but you only believe you can make $20,000, then you won't make that $100,000. Does that make sense? So that is what vibratory alignment is. Getting your desire and your beliefs at the same level. So you can either upgrade your belief or you can downgrade your desire. And I'm sure most of you want to upgrade your beliefs instead of downgrading your desires. So I made a video on this actually up here on how to get into vibratory alignment. So click here to check that out. Basically, if you want to craft an affirmation that you're going to use as a subliminal, make sure you're in vibratory alignment first. So that's also a continuation of the first principle. So make sure you have the feeling, make sure you are in vibratory alignment. The second principle, which also ties into the first, is make sure your affirmations are self-written. And I cannot stress this enough. If you found some affirmations online and if you didn't write them yourself, then more often than not, they're not going to work for you. And the only reason they're not going to work for you is because it's not personal. Affirmations and subliminals are intended for you. You use your own affirmations because it incites a feeling within you. So again, this links back to that first principle of using affirmations, using subliminals that are inciting a feeling within you, that are in alignment with you, and that make you feel a certain way. So make sure your affirmations are written by you. And of course, I use my affirmations in the subliminal form as well, and they've been working out really good for me, and I can really confirm. So once you use your subliminals, make sure that you use confirmations to notice your new reality becoming. And I also made a video on this, on how to tweak your affirmations to get maximum results by using confirmations alongside it. So make sure you check that video out as well. So again, to conclude this video, subliminals will only work if the first and foremost principle, they incite a feeling within you at the conscious level. And also you can get into vibratory alignment with them. And finally, they have to be self-written. So these are I wouldn't say 3 principles or even 2 principles. The most powerful principle using subliminals is the feeling behind it. So make sure the feeling is always there. So anyway, with that, hope you enjoyed this video and hope this helped. If this video helped you, please share it with a friend so they may benefit as well. And with that, I'm going to conclude this video. I'm also growing a massive Facebook group, link in the description below, where we share all of our law of attraction practices and help you diagnose your own practices. I remember starting off in the law of attraction and I didn't really have a group to join or share this stuff with or how I could improve. So we have a great group, a great community where people are very knowledgeable about this stuff and have been practicing it for a while, and it's growing really massive, so someone's always there to help. So click on the link below to join, and I hope I see you there. Also, I'm excited to announce that the Reality Mastery Program is still up for a limited time. So what the Reality Mastery Program is basically a identity shifting program. What that means is we're going to be using the most powerful paradigm, and after years of using the law of attraction, this is what helped me get the maximum results. And through the virtue of becoming that person and shifting to the identity and the version, embodying that version of yourself that gets that thing you want, you will subsequently attract that reality to you. So what we're going to be doing is going through a 6-week program where we strategically shift you into the version of yourself you would like to be, and the realities that you'd like to experience, and craft that character of you, and then you will subsequently attract that reality. Everything that I've manifested in my life, my dream partner, the dream body, the dream job, everything that I've manifested was a direct result of becoming the person that gets all of these things. So anyway, hope I see you at the free consult. Click on the link below to sign up for a free consult. It'll roughly be an hour long, where we will talk about your current law of attraction practices, how we can modify them, and how you can benefit from this program, even if you're a right fit for this program. So click on the link below to sign up for a free consult. It's completely free. Hope I see you there. Till next time. Peace.